Coca-Cola, one of the world's most popular drinks, is consumed around 8,400 times every second. Its secret recipe, like Heinz ketchup or KFC seasoning, is closely guarded. It's a legendary drink loved by millions, but few people know the process that goes into making the perfect bottle of Coca-Cola. Today, we're taking you behind the scenes, giving you an exclusive look at how it's made and the subtleties that go into making Coca-Cola's signature taste. The story begins with John Pemberton, a Civil War veteran and morphine-addicted physician. He invented Pemberton's French wine Coca Nerve Tonic, a bitter and expensive caffeine-based drink made from African cola nuts. When prohibition laws were enacted in 1886, Pemberton saw an opportunity and created Coca-Cola, a cheaper, sweeter, alcohol-free version. Coca-Cola was originally sold for 5 cents a glass and was marketed as a medicine that could cure everything from headaches to impotence. Pemberton's creativity and efforts transformed Coca-Cola from a medicine into a global beverage, enjoyed around the world. This journey has turned Coca-Cola into an indispensable icon in modern consumer culture. Coca-Cola is made from a unique blend of ingredients that are carefully selected and combined to create its signature taste. Interestingly, only a few people know the secret formula of this soft drink. Similar to Heinz's ketchup recipe or KFC's 11 secret spices, Coca-Cola's recipe is closely guarded. The production process starts with water, which goes through many processing steps, then is mixed with sugar and a secret concentrate, which gives it its signature taste. This concentrate is produced at 5 major Coca-Cola plants around the world and then shipped to other plants for bottling. The main ingredients of Coca-Cola include high fructose corn syrup, caramel color, caffeine, and phosphoric acid. This syrup is created by blending the ingredients in precise proportions, and it is this that gives Coca-Cola its unique flavor. High fructose corn syrup is made from corn starch and is used as a sweetener in many soft drinks. Caramel coloring gives Coca-Cola its iconic deep brown color and is created by heating sugar until it caramelizes. Caffeine is added to the recipe to give it a stimulating effect. However, there are debates over whether the current version of Coca-Cola contains cola nut extract, originally used for its caffeine content. That's where the cola part of Coca-Cola comes from. Then, we have phosphoric acid, which is added to the ingredients to give the Coca-Cola a slightly acidic taste. This balances the sweetness of the high fructose corn syrup used in making the beverage. It also gives the drink a certain level of tartness, reduces the growth of bacteria and fungi, and improves the shelf life. Coca-Cola uses a range of natural flavorings to achieve the iconic taste we all know and love. But the exact composition of these natural flavorings is a closely guarded trade secret. However, people have suggested that the natural flavorings comprise vanilla, cinnamon, lime, and a blend of essential oils such as orange, lime, lemon, and lavender. Besides the main ingredients, Coca-Cola uses different additives to produce the drink, including preservatives, stabilizers, and flavor enhancers. These give Coca-Cola a longer shelf life and prevent the quality from depreciating. The secrecy of the exact components of Coca-Cola's syrup is both to protect the integrity of the product and a marketing strategy, as it adds an air of mystique to the iconic drink. The quality of the ingredients sets Coca-Cola apart from other soft drinks, and the company takes adequate measures to ensure all its production sites follow rigorous quality standards. The production process is divided into main stages including blending, carbonation, bottling, and quality control. The first stage is the blending of the ingredients. Corn syrup, caramel color, caffeine, and phosphoric acid are blended in precise proportions to form the syrup. This syrup is then transferred to large mixing tanks, where it is mixed with water to form the final mixture. The mixture is constantly stirred to ensure that the ingredients are evenly mixed. The next stage is carbonation, when CO2 gas is added to the mixture to create the signature fizziness of Coca-Cola. The carbonation process is carefully controlled to ensure consistent carbonation levels across all production facilities. Once the mixture is complete, it is transported through pipes to specialized bottling chambers. Here, the beverage is bottled or canned, delivering a distinctly refreshing experience to the consumer. Each bottle is thoroughly inspected by BKR to ensure they are filled to the correct standard and sealed tightly. Products that do not meet the standards will be removed from the production line. During this process, carbon dioxide gas is added to the mixture, creating the characteristic fizzy bubbles of carbonated drinks. The bottles and cans are then sealed, labeled, and printed with a production date and batch code. Each batch undergoes rigorous quality control to ensure that every bottle of Coca-Cola meets standards for taste and quality. Samples are tested at multiple stages to assess taste, carbonation level, and appearance. Bottles are also pressure tested to ensure they can withstand the pressure from the carbonation gas. Bottles are thoroughly cleaned, labeled before filling, and quality checked using state-of-the-art machinery. Filling takes place at a controlled temperature of 41 to 43 degrees Fahrenheit to ensure stability and prevent foaming. The bottle cap is screwed or pressed to retain the gas. Similarly, the cans are also washed, filled, and sealed using precision machinery. Then, both the bottles and cans are carefully packaged in cartons or heat shrink wrap to ensure safe transportation. Finally, the cans are sorted and stacked on pallets by robots to optimize space and ensure safety. In 2023, Coca-Cola upgraded its packaging line, using modern robotic arms to assemble blocks of bottles or cans into larger pallets. These pallets are then carefully wrapped to ensure safety during transportation. Finally, Coca-Cola is packaged into crates and loaded onto trucks for distribution to retailers, suppliers, or food service businesses. Thanks to the modern and streamlined process, Coca-Cola products are always guaranteed to be fresh and of consistent quality, ready to serve consumers around the world. Coca-Cola is more than just a refreshing beverage. It is a symbol of joy, connection, and memorable moments. From family celebrations to international events, Coca-Cola is always there, bringing a distinctive taste and a spirit of connection across generations. Thank you for joining us in discovering the inspiring story of Coca-Cola. If you have any special memories related to Coca-Cola, please share them in the comments below. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel to continue discovering other interesting stories in the future.